Football is very famous and popular sport in this world. Millions of people globally watch it. The main competition in the football world is a FIFA World Cup that's are held every 4 years among the FIFA member countries. FIFA has more than 200 members, but the very famous and the best team participating in the FIFA World Cup after playing the qualifying round except the host nation. Host nation automatically qualifying for the group stage match. Now this time in the FIFA World Cup 2026 23rd edition jointly hosted by the three nations United States, Canada and Mexico. Canada first time host FIFA World Cup. United States second time host FIFA World Cup. Before this 1919 FIFA World Cup individually hosted by the United States, all match hosted by one nation. But now this time United States hosts combinedly with the FIFA World Cup 23rd edition, Canada and with Mexico. And the Mexico is the first destination who has hosted FIFA World Cup third time. The first country in the FIFA history who has third time host FIFA World Cup. 23rd edition of the FIFA World Cup has something unique thing like the 48 team expand from the 32 and the three host nation first time FIFA World Cup. Before this 2002 FIFA World Cup Korea and the Japan jointly host first time history and the all 21 edition individually host every country. But now this time the FIFA authority decided to the three host nation of the North American countries and the United States, Canada and the Mexico. All of they host jointly, combinedly all matches of the FIFA World Cup. In the FIFA World Cup, that are the 48 teams, 3 nation host and the most iconic two players, Lionel Messi and the Cristiano Ronaldo, might be possible. They has lost FIFA World Cup because they are the too aged and the performances effect in the different side. Now in this FIFA World Cup 2026, they has been lost FIFA World Cup. Maybe he has not appeared in the 2030 FIFA World Cup because the Cristiano Ronaldo is a 41-year age, but in 2030 Cristiano Ronaldo has the 45-year and the Lionel Messi has 40-year age and the FIFA World Cup 2030 has led to the 43-year age and it might be possible they has the last match in the FIFA World Cup 2026 and the most iconic players all any others they have might be taken retirement after this FIFA World Cup. What do you think about Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi might be playing next FIFA World Cup or not? Please share in comment. Of the FIFA World Cup 2022 FIFA World Cup live match, live streaming and the watch on the other platform more than 5 billion people and the 2018 FIFA World Cup hosted by the Russia and the Croatia and the final match between the France win this title and the more 3 billion people live streaming this and the different platform like website channels and the channel and the other text and the viewership in the 2016 FIFA World Cup might be possible to expand more than 6 billion because that's are the very high match level play and the three host nation United States, Canada and the Mexico and the Brazilian is the most iconic player in the FIFA World Cup might be possible they has been but I has wished the FIFA World Cup 2026 by the Cristiano Ronaldo. That's the farewell